Welcome to our channel. PTC Creo is a comprehensive 3D software, and I will be learning it step by step. Subscribe to my channel and stay updated. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on mechanical part structure, CNC machining programming, and drawing layouts. This is my previous video volume milling. Make pocketing with end mill cutter. Today we will start surface milling, for smooth finishing for curves, surfaces. In this video, we will learn how to create a CNC machinist for any curved surfaces using PTC Creo, and how to design a surface and produce its CNC milling machine program. My first 10 videos are basic tutorials on PTC Creo. Please watch my first 10 videos for basic 2D sketching, because without it, we cannot create 3D models. So, 2D is very important. Now ready CNC machine program for surface machining tool number 3 and 3000, RPM feed rate 300 per minute. This program consists of a large number of blocks. Therefore, we will modify it to have fewer blocks and increase the stepover in the parameter. Please check carefully because program runs an automatic machine. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment for better feedback.